Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, we are going to study that same lesson, electric charge and electric current. Already we studied electromotive force, resistance, potential difference, electric current, electric potential, electric force. These are studied. Now we have to study electric circuits. Electric circuits. Electric circuit and electric current need two things. Electric current need two things. Something to make the electricity flow. Example, battery or power pack. A complete circuit. Electric current need two things. One is to make the electric flow, a complete circuit. Without these two basic things, an electric current will not flow. Yes, cell, wire, electric flow, that battery cell, and circuit, complete circuit. Okay, wire forming a complete circuit. Yes, battery, wire, bulb. No battery, not glow. Yes. Now, what is electric circuit diagram? What is electric circuit diagram? Electric circuit diagram. See the side. It is a circuit diagram. It is a circuit diagram. See the picture, everybody. Circuit diagram. To represent an electrical wiring or solve problem involving electric circuits. The electric diagrams are made four main components of any circuits, namely cell, connecting wire, switch and resistor or load are given above. Okay, what are they want? Cell, connecting wire, switch, resistor. Cell, see the picture, cell is there, connecting wire is there, switch also want, resistor also want. Okay, four main components are want. Electric circuit want four: cell, connecting wire, switch, resistor. Okay, in addition to above, many other electrical components are used in a actual circuit. Actual circuit, many other things also want. A uniform system of symbols has been evolved to describe them. It is take learning a sign language. Learning a sign language, but useful in understanding circuit diagram. Useful in understanding circuit diagrams. Some common symbols in electrical circuit are shown in table 4.1. The common symbols in the electric circuit are shown in the table 4.1. Now you see this circuit. Yes, see the picture. Typical electric circuit. Switch, connecting wire, battery cell, resistance. What are the things want? Switch, connecting wire, battery cell, resistance. Cell, connecting wire, switch, resistance. These are all want the electric circuit. Electric circuit. Okay. Everybody see the electric circuit. It is very easy to draw. Yes. Cell, one positive and one negative. Plus, that is a long, that one is a positive, the short one is a negative. Okay, it is a cell. Cell connecting with the wire that to the switch. After that resistance is there, after that will connect to the cell. Okay, it is a typical electric circuit. Typical electrical circuit. Okay. See the symbols, device, more symbols are there. Switch, switch, symbols. Switch is simple, you see. Switch is simple. Everybody see properly. Switch is simple. Next is cell. One long and one short. Battery, one long, one short, one long, one short. That like one more cells are connected. That is a battery. DC power supply. See the simple DC power supply. DC power supply. Yes. See everybody properly. Yes, next one. AC power supply. In between one wave like. Yes. DC power supply. Direct current. AC power supply. Alternating current. Okay. That in between one wave like. Light bulb. Simple you see light bulb. One round and that cross like. Cross not that is a multiply like, simple like. Yes. That is a light bulb. Next potentiometer. Potentiometer, see the simple. Potentiometer, see the simple. Potentiometer. One resistor. Resistance are there. Above one triangle like. That is a potentiometer. Next light dependent resistor. LDR. Light dependent resistor. LDR. The resistor making on round. That is a light dependent resistor. Next one see wire joint. Wire joint. You see the symbol? Yes. Up one wire going, down one wire going. That is a wire joint. Simple. Wires crossed. Wire crossed. See the simple wire crossed simple. Fixed resistor. Resistor simple. One triangle, one rectangle and that two side wire is going. Fixed resistor. The resistor like in between one rheostat. Variable resistor. Rheostat. Next one fuse. Fuse. In between that line is going. That is a fuse. Next coil of wire. Transformer. See the simple transformer. Transformer. Semiconductor diode. Semiconductor diode. See the simple semiconductor diode. Galvanometer. Galvanometer, not A, like one simple G dash dash. Otherwise, A like written triangle. Yes. After ammeter A, voltmeter B. Two-way switch. Switch already we studied. We saw that. Yes. That after two-way switch you see. Two-way switch. Yes. See the picture. Two-way switch. Earth connector. Earth connector. Earth connector. Simple you see. Capacitor. Capacitor. Thermistor. Thermistor. Bell. Yes. Everybody saw the symbols. See properly. It is your classwork. Write in your classwork note. Draw and write neatly in the classwork note. Okay. Common symbol in electrical circuit. Common symbol in electrical circuit. Okay. Draw and write in your classwork note. Okay, children. Next one. Next one you see different electrical circuits. Different electrical circuits. Electrical circuits are two types. One is series circuit, parallel circuit. Everybody see First one, series circuit, serial circuit, serial bulb you think like this. Okay, serial bulb like அப்படி வரிசையா bulb இருக்கும். That is a series circuit. One battery is there, positive, negative. That one connected to the bulb. Okay, switch also in between, here not given switch. Okay, in the book picture given. Okay, yes. A, two bulbs are connected in the series, and B, that parallel circuit, series circuit. It is a circuit diagram given the side. Two bulb simple you see, battery simple you see, that you also write it. Okay, series circuit, that series circuit, the components are connected one after another in a single loop. ஒரே loopல one by one connect பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. In series circuit there is only one path through with which the electric charge flow. From the above we can know that the current I all along the series circuit remains same. That is, in series circuit the current in each point of the circuit is same. The current is in each part of the circuit is same. Current எந்த பகுதியிலும் கரெக்டா ஒரே மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். From the above we can know that current I all along the series circuit remains same current. Okay, not different current, same current. That is, in the series circuit the current is each point of the circuit is same. Okay, it is series circuit. It is series circuit. Series circuit, everybody saw. What is series circuit? Series circuit is only one pathway through which the electric charge flow. From the above we can know that a current all along series circuit remains same, not different. All plays the same only. That each point of circuit is same. Current in each part of the circuit is same. Okay, yes. Electrical, that is circuit diagram you see. Circuit, that is a battery cell connected to the wire. Bulb, two bulbs are there. Okay, next, parallel circuit. Effects of electric current. Effects of electric current. When current flows in the circuit, it exhibits various effects. When current flows in the circuit, it exhibits various effects. The main effects are heating, chemical, and magnetic. Heating effect, chemical effect, magnetic effect. Okay, three main effects: heating effects, chemical effects, and magnetic effects. Now we will see the picture. Heating effect. Heating effect. Cut a narrow shaped strip from aluminium foil. Ensure that the head is in a fine point. Keep the arrow shaped foil on the wooden board. See the picture? The wooden board, foil on the wooden board. Connect a thin pin to two lengths of wire. In the book picture only one pin given through connected to the battery. Here two. Okay, yes. Connect the wires to the terminal of electrical cell. Electric cell may be of 9V. Press one pin onto the pointed tip and other pin at the point about 1 or 2 mm away. Can you see the tip of aluminium foil start melting? Because that give heating effect, heat going to the pin. Okay, heating effect and chemical effect experiment have to be performed only with the DC cell of the around 9 volt. DC cell of around 9 volt. Students at the cost should not use main domestic electric supply which 220 volt AC voltage. If it is used in, it will give a heavy electric shock leading to severe damage to our body. எந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டும் 9 வோல்ட்டுக்கு மேலே அதை யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. 220 வோல்ட்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா நமக்கு அது டேமேஜ் ஆயிரும், நம்ம பாடி இதாயிரும், அஃபெக்ட் ஆயிரும். ஓகே, அதெல்லாம் நம்ம வந்து என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது, யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அந்த பேட்டரிலாம் வச்சு நம்ம செயல்படுத்தக்கூடாது. 9 வோல்ட் பேட்டரி மட்டும் தான் டிசி செல் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். 9 வோல்ட் டிசி செல். ஓகே, எஸ், it is very important caution. Heating effect. When the flow of current is resisted, generally heat is produced. Current is resisted, heat is produced. This is because the electron while moving in the wire or resistor suffer resistance. Work has to be done to overcome the resistance which is converted into heat energy. Here work has to be done to overcome the resistance. Here current, electric energy is converted into heat energy. Understand? Here electric current is coming here, that electric energy giving to the heat energy. This conversion of electrical energy into heat energy is called Joule heating. Joule heating. As this effect was extensively studied by the scientist Joule, this forms the principle of all electric heating appliances like iron box, water heater, toaster. These are heating effect. Okay, iron box, yes, we know, தொட்டு பார்த்தா எப்படி இருக்கும், சூடா இருக்கும். அதுதான் என்னது, ட்ரெஸ்லாம் அயன் பண்ணுது, சூடு தான் அயன் பண்ணுது. வாட்டர் ஹீட்டர், டோஸ்டர், even connecting wires offer small resistance to flow of current. That is why all the electrical appliances including the connecting wires are warm when used in an electric circuit. All electric appliances including connecting wires are warm. எல்லா ஒயரும் சூடாகும். பல்பு தொட்டு பாரு, இது சூடாகும். இது ஃபேன் கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஓடினப்பறம் தொட்டு பாரு, சூடாகும். Everyone connecting wire also are warm when used in the electric circuit. Okay, heat energy, heating effect. This is a heating effect. Iron box, heater, okay, water heater, toaster, maximum every things have heat. Okay, next one we have to see circuit. Everybody see the picture. Parallel circuit, the battery, that means that is cell connected to one bulb, and that after that connection to another bulb, not a series, one by one. Battery directly connected to the one bulb and that battery connected to another bulb. Okay, that like it is a parallel circuit. In parallel circuit, the components are connected to the EMF source in two or more loops. The series circuit only one loop. In the parallel circuit, more than one path, not only one path. In our house also, you know, one room, one fan, one switch for fan, one switch for light, one switch for tube light, one switch for fridge, one switch for that, like different connection. This is a parallel circuit in our home. Everybody's home, school, that also parallel circuits. Understand? Every parallel circuit, series circuit means serial bulb போடுறோம்ல, அதுதான் series circuit. லைன் 1 by 1 பல்ப் இருக்கும், ஒரே லூப்ல எல்லா கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கும். Parallel circuit means battery connect to everyone. Separate connection. Okay? In a parallel circuit, the sum of the individual current each of the parallel branches is equal to main current flowing into or out of the parallel branches. Also, in the parallel circuit, potential differences across separate parallel branches are same. Separate parallel branches are same. Separate parallel branches. All are different, same. Okay? Yes. Parallel circuit, series circuit. Everybody see the picture properly. Parallel circuit and series circuit. Yes. Circuit diagram you see. Battery connected with the one bulb by wire. Another one battery connected to another bulb by wire. Okay. Is separate connection. Okay. The pathway is different. Two or more pathway. More loops want. Okay. More than one path for electric charge to flow. That is a parallel circuit. Okay. Everybody understood, children? Parallel circuit. Next one you see. Chemical effect. Chemical effect. Chemical effect. Yes. Everybody see the picture. Take a beaker half filled with copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution is inside the beaker. Take a carbon rod from the used dry cell. Carbon rod செல்லுல இருந்து நம்ம எடுக்க போறோம். பழைய செல் இருக்கும்ல, அதுல கார்பன் ராடு எடுக்கணும். Carbon rod from the used dry cell. Bind a wire on its upper end. See the picture. Upper, that bind that wire on its upper end. Take a thick copper wire. நல்லா திக்கான காப்பர் ஒயரை எடுத்துக்கணும். Clean it well and flatten with the hammer. நல்லா அதை ஹேமரை வச்சு நல்லா flat பண்ணிக்கணும். Immerse both the copper wire and the carbon rod. காப்பர் ஒயர்லையும் கார்பன் ராட்லையும் நல்லா கெட்டிடணும். Copper sulfate solution is in the beaker. Connect the carbon rod to negative terminal of an electric cell. Electric cell அது வந்து என்னது நெகட்டிவ் டெர்மினலா இருக்கு. And copper wire to the positive terminal of the cell. Copper wire என்னதா இருக்கு? Copper wire, that is a positive terminal. Carbon rod, that is a negative terminal. Have you understood? Copper, that is a copper wire, that is a positive terminal. Carbon rod, that is a negative terminal. Also ensure that copper and carbon rod do not touch each other. ரெண்டும் தனித்தனியா இருக்கு, எதுவுமே டச் ஆகல. After sometime you would find the copper deposited over the carbon rod. கொஞ்ச நேரம் கரண்ட்டை அது பாஸ் பண்ண விட்டுட்டே இருக்கும்போது, கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு நம்ம பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும்னா, இந்த காப்பர் ராடுக்கு மேல காப்பர் வந்து காப்பர் டெபாசிட்டட் ஓவர் த கார்பன் ராடு. காப்பர் வந்து கார்பன் ராடுக்கு மேல ஒட்டி இருக்கும். கொஞ்ச நேரம் கழிச்சு பார்த்தா காப்பர் கார்பன் ராடு மேல ஒட்டிடும். திஸ் இஸ் கால்டு எலக்ட்ரோபிளேட்டிங். இதுதான் என்னது? எலக்ட்ரோபிளேட்டிங். திஸ் இஸ் டியூ டு த கெமிக்கல் எஃபெக்ட் ஆஃப் கரண்ட். இப்போ இந்த கார்பன் ராடுல காப்பர் போய் ஒட்டிக்கிடுது. ஏன்? அது பாசிட்டிவ், இது நெகட்டிவ். அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி காப்பர் எங்க வந்துடுது? நெகட்டிவ்க்கு வந்துடுது. அது வந்து அட்ராக்ட் பண்ணி இங்க வந்து மேல இந்த காப்பர் ராடுக்கு மேல ஒட்டிடுது, கார்பன் ராடுக்கு மேல. ஓகே. So far we have some across the cases in which only electron can contact electricity. இதுல இருந்து நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்னா electron can conduct electricity. But here when current passes through electrolyte like copper sulfate solution, both the electron and positive copper ion conduct electricity. The process of conduction of electric current through solution is called electrolysis. What is electrolysis? The process of conduction of electric current through the solution. The solution க்கு உள்ள current pass ஆகி இங்க உள்ள ஒண்ணு அங்க போய் ஒட்டுது. அப்ப இதுக்கு பேர் என்னது? Electrolysis. Process of conduction of electric current through solution. Solutionக்கு உள்ள இந்த current pass ஆகுறது தான் என்னது? Electrolysis. The solution through which the electricity passes is called electrolyte. The solution through which the electricity passes. The current pass ஆகுதுல அதுக்கு பேரு electrolyte. அந்த process அந்த என்னவெல்லாம் நடக்குதோ அதுதான் என்னது? Electrolysis. Positive terminal inserted into the solution is called anode. And a negative terminal, that is a cathode. Positive terminal, see the picture also, the positive terminal, that is anode, negative terminal, that is cathode. Anode, cathode. In the above experiment, copper wire is anode and carbon rod is cathode. Copper wire is anode, carbon rod is cathode. Carbon rod is cathode. So, extremely weak electric current is produced in the human body by the movement of charged particles. These are called synaptic signal. Synaptic signal. These signals are produced by electrochemical process. They travel between brain and the organ through nervous system. நம்ம பாடியில என்னது இருக்கு? electrochemical process போயிட்டு இருக்கு. Synaptic signals. Synaptic signals. The weak electric current is produced in human body. நம்ம பாடியிலையும் current produce ஆகுது. அது என்ன கரண்ட்னா weak electric current. கொஞ்சம் வெரி லெஸ்ஸா அது என்னது போயிட்டு சுத்திட்டே இருக்கு. charged particle charged ஆயிருது. They are called synaptic signals. Synaptic signals. Signals are produced by electrochemical process. அந்த சிக்னல்ஸ்க்கு வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது electrochemical process. Okay. That they travel between brain and the organs through the nervous system. Nervous system வழியா அந்த current pass ஆயிட்டே இருக்குது. Okay children, it is a chemical effect. Chemical effect. Next one, magnetic effect of electricity. Magnetic effect of electricity. Everybody see the picture. Magnetic field. Current is passed in that center. Magnetic field is the current passed center. Up that going this direction. See the direction of the magnetic field? Yes. Current is passed from lower to higher. That is going this way. Direction is changed. Okay. A wire or a conductor carrying current develop in magnetic field perpendicular to the direction of the flow of current. This is called magnetic effect of current. Magnetic effect of current. The discovery of scientists Oersted and right hand thumb rule are detailed in the chapter on magnetism and electromagnetism in this book. Electromagnetism in this book. Okay. Magnetic field. That related the magnetism and electromagnetism. Magnetism and electromagnetism. Okay, this is related magnetism and electromagnetism. Direction of current is shown by the right hand thumb and the direction magnetic field is shown by other finger of the same right hand. Of the same right hand. See the picture? In the book picture everybody see direction of current and magnetic field. The direction of current and magnetic field. right thumb. Right thumb. See the picture, right thumb. That carrying current develop magnetic field perpendicular to the direction flow of current. Okay. This is right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. இப்படி இருக்கும்போது அப்படி எப்படி ரொட்டேட் ஆகுது, இப்படி ரொட்டேட் ஆகுது. ஓகே, எஸ். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Okay, yes. Right hand thumb rule. Everybody saw? Yes. Current pass from up to down. That is rotating different way. Direction is different. After the current passing from lower to higher place, the magnetic field, the rotation of that one is direction is different. So this is the magnetic effect of electricity. Magnetic effect of electricity. Yes, everybody study this one. Write any 10 fill in the blanks. Write 10 fill in the blanks. Your class work common symbols in the electrical circuits. Common symbols in electrical circuits. Page number 44. It is your classwork. Everybody draw and write neatly in the classwork note. Okay. Write 10 fill in the blanks. It is your homework. That write and send quickly. Okay. That same day you send it. Okay, children.